In the face of loss, we discover our true strength. Loss is a word that strikes fear in our hearts, but it's also a catalyst for change, for growth, for transformation. It's the harshest of teachers, yet its lessons are invaluable. The stories we're about to share are not of despair, but of resilience. They are tales of individuals who faced their greatest losses and found within them the seeds of their greatest triumphs. Loss is not an end, but a new beginning. Every loss carries a story of resilience waiting to be told. Our world is full of such stories. Stories of people who have stared into the abyss of loss and found the strength to climb back out. Take the tale of a woman who lost her sight, but not her vision for a better future. She learned to navigate the world in a whole new way, becoming a beacon of hope for others facing similar challenges. Or the story of a man who lost his job, his home, creating a successful business that now provides for others. Each story a testament to the indomitable human spirit, the capacity to rebuild, to reinvent, to rise. These stories are not just about loss, but about the strength found within the loss. They are about the resilience that defies despair. Through loss, we find the strength to rise again. Your story matters. Your resilience inspires. Each like, each share, each subscription is a testament to the strength of this community. It's a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. It's a pledge to rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. So like this video, subscribe to our channel. Be a part of this journey. Share your stories of resilience in the comments. Let's bolster each other, providing support when it's needed most. Together we rise from loss.